Hey guys, today we are going to dye my hair red. I'm actually doing it with the do-it-yourself kit from Splat, Rebellious Colors, and this one is called Midnight Ruby. It says that there is no bleach needed. It only lasts 30 washes, which is good because in case I change my mind, which I do often, I'll be able to come back to my original hair color without too much commitment. There's no turning back now. Hopefully it turns out to be a little bit like this. It does say best for brunettes, but I mean, we'll see how that goes. I'm naturally brunette, but I have some blonde streaks, so I'm guessing that I'm just gonna swing it with this one. We'll see what happens. So crossing my fingers, hope it turns out good. I bought the dye, I'm gonna do it. Instructions look pretty simple. I'm going to show you how I transform from this to red. Ooh, I'm so excited. It's happening. Ooh. Oh no, I just dropped a clump on the floor. That's no bueno. Guys, what do you think? I don't know. There's no turning back now. There is no turning back. Okay guys, so question. Is it true that when a woman dyes her hair red, that she's going through some stuff? I don't necessarily think that's true, at least for me, because I'm not going through anything. I don't think so. I'm pretty happy. I'm just a little bored and wanted to try something new. Fun fact, I did try Splat before, but it was the permanent color, and I did pink and purple, which was really cool for like 3 months, and then I was like, okay, I'm gonna go back to blonde. I miss being blonde, and it didn't come out, so we are not doing that experience again. So this is progress so far. Looks like I just got in a bloody fight. I might have. So this stuff actually smells kind of good. I'm starting to get kind of nervous because I have no idea how vibrant this is gonna be. You know, I wasn't really going for like that like crazy red, but that's what it's turning out to be. Oh well, I guess it'll fade out eventually. There's no turning back now. I feel like a different person. Imagine if I had short red hair like this. I feel like an anime character. Okay, so I'm pretty much done. I have all the color on my hair. I only used about 2/3 of the bottle, so I do have some left in case I get frisky again. It does say to put it on for about 45 minutes to an hour, depending on if you have thin or to thicker hair. I'm gonna go about 50 minutes just to be in between. I don't want it too vibrant. I mean, maybe I should just go the full hour. Yeah, why not? YOLO! So yeah, there we go. Time to clean up. So yeah guys, that's it. This is the final result. I am pretty pleased with how it turned out. It is a lot brighter than I anticipated it to be, but I think it looks really cool. It's very different from my original look. It will take some time to get used to, but I honestly love how the colors blend in with the blonde and the brunette part of my hair, and how the colors just soaked in like the blonde part and even like the brunette pieces too. It feels good. It doesn't feel that dry actually. I am rather surprised. But look at the color. Look at that, so pretty. I can't get over this. Alright guys, well, if you like my video, please subscribe, check out my other videos, and comment down below. Let me know if you tried doing splat hair dye yourself. Let me know your thoughts if you want me to do another video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will be enjoying my hair. I feel like it's a totally different identity.